What if I told you that the power to control your energy field, your very life force, lies within your mind? Sounds almost too simple, right? But what if this knowledge, guarded for centuries, has been quietly woven into the teachings of the Masonic 33rd degree, unlocking secrets of manifestation, intention, and the power to align with universal forces? The truth is, the world we live in isn't just physical. We are surrounded by invisible energy fields that shape our experiences, and mastering them can drastically alter your life. But here's the thing, most people don't even realize they have this power. They live day by day, allowing their energy to be drained by others, blocking their own ability to manifest what they truly desire. The real control. It's in how you manage your thoughts, intentions, and emotions, skills that are taught at the highest levels of spiritual wisdom, and once mastered, can be applied to transform your everyday life. The process begins in the mind, and in the next few moments, you're about to discover how to harness that power, using principles that few truly understand. Are you ready to dive into a world where your mind is the architect of your reality, and sacred knowledge, passed down through ages, can help you unlock its potential? This isn't just theory, it's practical, actionable wisdom that will show you how to mentally control your energy field and step into a life of purpose and mastery. Let's get started. The energy vampire. Energy vampires are those people in your life who seem to drain your very essence without you even realizing it. You've felt it before, a conversation that leaves you feeling utterly depleted or an encounter that shifts your mood from positive to anxious. These individuals don't just sap your physical energy, they tap into your emotional and mental reserves, making it harder to align with the higher energies of manifestation and intention. They thrive off your energy field, pulling away your positive vibes and replacing them with heavy, negative energy. It's like they block your connection to higher vibrational frequencies, making you feel stuck and powerless. The trickiest part about energy vampires is that they often don't know they're doing it. They'll seek your attention, your sympathy, and slowly convince you that their struggles are more important than your peace of mind. You've probably seen it, friends or colleagues who always seem to carry drama and want you involved. It's not about avoiding them but rather learning to protect your energy field. By mastering the power of intention, you can build a mental barrier that stops these drains, maintaining your high energy. Think of it like setting energetic boundaries, much like a firewall protecting your digital world. Protecting yourself from these vampires is essential if you want to harness the power of manifestation. After all, how can you focus on creating your reality if you're always left feeling emotionally drained? This is where the practice of visualization and intention setting comes into play. Imagine a radiant light surrounding you, your energy field, and picture it repelling negativity. It's a practical step toward controlling your energy and staying aligned with your higher purpose. By doing this, you're keeping your spiritual reservoir full, giving you the power to transform your reality. Mastering the mind through the power of intention. Mastering the mind is the first step to truly controlling your energy field. It's said that those who reach the 33rd degree of Masonic knowledge understand the immense power of intention. Your mind is not just a tool for thinking, it's a direct channel for energy. When your thoughts are clear, focused, and deliberate, they can shift the energy around you, aligning it with your goals. This isn't some abstract idea, it's the foundation of how we shape reality. Just like a laser beam focuses light, your intentions can focus your energy to manifest your desires. To cultivate this mastery, one must engage in consistent mental discipline. Daily practices like mindfulness meditation, for instance, allow you to become aware of where your mind wanders and how to bring it back to the present moment. This practice sharpens your focus, giving you control over your energy. Setting deliberate intentions at the beginning of your day also helps. When you start each day with a clear purpose, you align your energy field with that intention, making it easier to manifest what you truly want. Think of it like programming a compass. Your mind points your energy in the direction you choose. The ability to direct energy through the power of thought isn't just about discipline, it's about clarity. When your mind is scattered, so is your energy. That's why visualization is a key tool for focusing your mental energy. Imagine your energy field as a radiant, glowing aura around you. When you concentrate on this vision and pair it with clear intentions, you can direct this energy toward your goals or even use it as a shield against negativity. This practice, rooted in both ancient wisdom and modern techniques, gives you the power to consciously control your energy field and manifest your desired reality. Aligning with the universal will and higher self. Aligning with the universal will is where personal power meets divine purpose. At the 33rd degree, a Mason is taught that true mastery over one's energy field comes from aligning individual intention with the larger, cosmic will. Think of it this way: your personal will is like a small river, and the universal will is an ocean. When you merge your intentions with this vast force, your energy gains momentum and flows effortlessly toward higher outcomes. This is the secret to tapping into a more harmonious and powerful energy that governs the universe. To align with this greater energy, it's essential to connect with your higher self, a concept that transcends ego and individual desires. Regular meditation, especially deep, focused sessions, can help you tap into this universal consciousness. It's in these quiet moments that you can listen to the wisdom of your higher self, guiding you toward actions that resonate with truth, justice, and love. Some might call it divine guidance, but it's really about tuning your energy to a higher frequency where everything aligns smoothly. When you align with these principles, you become a channel for pure, powerful energy that can transform your reality. Symbolic rituals can also help fuse your energy with this universal will. Freemasonry, for instance, is rich with rituals that symbolize this union. By mentally affirming your connection to higher principles like truth and balance, you purify your energy field and align it with the flow of the universe. As you do this, you begin to see how manifestation isn't just about individual desire, it's about creating in harmony with the greater good. Aligning with the universal will not only amplifies your energy but also ensures that what you manifest is in balance with the world around you. The use of sacred geometry and symbolism. Sacred geometry holds the key to understanding how energy flows through the universe. Freemasons have long known that symbols like the square, the compass, and the number 33 are more than mere shapes, they represent the very structure of consciousness and energy itself. Sacred geometry is like a blueprint for reality, guiding how energy moves and interacts. By incorporating these symbols into your mental practices, you can tap into their power to stabilize and direct your own energy field. One way to harness this power is through visualization. Picture yourself surrounded by sacred geometric shapes like a pentagram, hexagram, or cube. These shapes act as energetic grids, directing and controlling your personal energy. Just as a building relies on a strong foundation of geometry to stand firm, your energy field becomes more stable and focused when aligned with these timeless patterns. Visualizing these shapes not only grounds your energy but also sharpens your focus, allowing you to channel your intention with precision and clarity. Masonic symbols like the square and compass serve as powerful tools for aligning your energy. Meditating on these symbols can help you achieve balance within your energy field, much like how these tools create balance and precision in the physical world. When you visualize the compass, for example, you're reminding yourself of the importance of boundaries and direction, guiding your energy to move with purpose. Integrating sacred geometry into your daily practice offers a profound way to mentally control and direct your energy field, aligning it with universal forces. Purification through the flame of spiritual transformation. The flame of spiritual transformation is a powerful metaphor for purifying your energy field. At the 33rd degree, fire symbolizes both destruction and renewal, a process of burning away the old, lower vibrations to make room for a higher, more refined energy. Controlling your energy means being willing to go through this process of transformation, releasing the emotional and mental blockages that weigh you down. Imagine it like shedding layers of negativity so your true, radiant self can shine through. One way to tap into this purification is through visualization. Picture a sacred flame either in your heart or crown chakra, and let its light grow brighter. This flame represents the eternal, divine energy within you, burning away any negative emotions, fears, or energy blockages. As you focus on this visualization, you can feel your energy field becoming lighter and more vibrant, purified by this spiritual fire. It's a technique not just for calming the mind but for actively cleansing the energy you carry with you. Regularly cleansing your energy field through this mental practice ensures that you maintain a high vibration, free from the toxic energies that surround us daily. Declaring mentally, and with intention, that you're ready for transformation invites the flow of spiritual energy into your life, guiding you to shed what no longer serves you. Like the mythical phoenix rising from the ashes, this purification process allows your energy to become more powerful and aligned with your true purpose. The flame is not something to fear, it's a force of rebirth, a necessary step in maintaining control over your energetic state. Balancing duality and polarity. Balancing duality and polarity is essential for creating harmony within your energy field. Freemasonry teaches that everything in the universe consists of opposing forces, light and dark, masculine and feminine, active and passive. These dualities aren't meant to compete, they're meant to be balanced, much like the yin and yang. Controlling your energy field requires you to balance these polarities within yourself. When one side dominates, you experience instability and misalignment. But when you achieve balance, your energy flows smoothly, giving you greater control over your mind and body. One practical way to balance these energies is through mental exercises that focus on the dual aspects of your being. You can visualize the left side of your body as holding receptive, feminine energy and the right side as holding active, masculine energy. By mentally guiding these two forces to flow harmoniously throughout your body, you achieve a sense of equilibrium. It's like tuning an instrument. When both sides are in sync, you create a perfect resonance in your energy field, enhancing your ability to manifest, create, and maintain inner peace. This balancing act is also an alchemical process, where you transform base emotions like fear or anger into higher states like love and wisdom. Imagine the duality between these emotions. Fear can be transmuted into courage, anger into understanding. Through meditations that focus on inner alchemy, you can consciously balance the dark and light aspects of your mind, creating harmony within your energy field. The result is a more powerful, controlled energy that's aligned with the universe's natural flow, making it easier to direct your life toward your highest potential. You've just taken a deep dive into the ancient wisdom of controlling your energy field, rooted in Masonic 33rd degree knowledge. Now, it's time to apply what you've learned. The power to control your energy, whether it's through mastering your mind, aligning with the universal will, or balancing the dualities within, is yours for the taking. But here's the question: are you ready to live differently? To move through the world with intention, clarity, and a deeper understanding of the unseen forces that shape your reality? Think about it. What could you achieve if you consciously directed your energy every day? How would your life transform if you cleansed your energy field, balanced your inner dualities, and aligned with a purpose greater than yourself? The answers lie within your reach, but it's up to you to take the next step. If you're serious about stepping into your full potential, start applying these techniques today. Meditate on sacred geometry, visualize your energy field, and set clear intentions for what you want to manifest. If you've made it this far, let us know what you think in the comments section below. Continue expanding your consciousness by watching the recommended video that you see on the screen right now.